Rob.
Well, weather-wise, not many changes with respect to Tropical Storm Cristobal as it's out here in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico, but we really don't see super deep convection near the center. That's because of all the dry air that worked its way into this system. Notice as you go farther to the east, though, we do have some pretty intense storms pushing into Florida. There were some funnel clouds over here as well. Locally, we've had a few showers, but not much to get too excited about. Latest on our tropical storm, 50-mile-per-hour winds. It's moving to the north at 12, and it's going to continue to move to the north at a good clip, so that is good for us for sure. And the landfall sometime tomorrow midday at early afternoon right near the Grand Isle area. And mind you, most of the weather is going to fall with inside this cone, especially the eastern side of this cone, and then all the way over to Florida. It's going to be very weighted on the eastern side of this circulation and maybe the northern part of the storm as well as it makes landfall tomorrow evening. So here is the threat timeline, and I brought down our tidal surge threat down to about 2 to 3 feet, and that doesn't happen until tomorrow night into Monday because we're going to have northeast winds, so the water goes out into the Gulf of Mexico. Flooding rain, just a marginal risk right now, 2 to 4 inches for most areas in Acadiana. Some barely get a drop of rain, but there could be isolated areas that see more than that, mainly out toward the basin and points to the east, and then the threat of sustained winds 15 to 25, gusts 40 to 50 by this time tomorrow afternoon, evening, and continuing tomorrow night and into Monday. And there will be a little bit of a tornado risk as well that we'll be on the lookout for. So that's the timeline right now. Coming up, we'll take a look at the models and show you what kind of winds you can expect at your location coming up in just a little bit.